Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to find your YouTube channel ID using a Windows computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com, then sign into your account whose channel ID you want to find. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select your channel. Then click Customize Channel to open YouTube Studio. After that, switch to the Basic Info tab. Here, you will see your channel URL and beneath it, the channel ID. It usually starts with UC. If you don't see it here, alternatively scroll to the bottom of the Basic Info page and click View Advanced Settings. The channel ID is listed on that page as well. Finally, copy the channel ID to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever needed for analytics, API access, or account support. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.